thanks for joining me on my market report. My name is Mike, and my market report is on mortgage rates. We kind of get into what's impacting mortgage rates on a daily basis. If you haven't followed my videos, we kind of give you the economic data, the headline news, the sentiment in the markets, and any geopolitical items that might be affecting mortgage rates, and kind of give you an idea as to the trend, if they're going to be rising, or if they're going to be going downwards, or if they're going to go sideways. We kind of take a look at what's ahead and what could be a catalyst for the week. A little bit about myself is I am a loan officer. I do work for National Lender, so we're here to help you guys out any way possible, whether it's answering questions for both mortgage rates or programs that are available out there for you. We're here for you guys. If you guys are looking to refinance or purchase, we'd love to earn your business, so please give us a shout. We do got a lot of programs out there available for you, as well as great pricing and services. So again, we do loans in all 50 states. So again, please reach out. In the meanwhile, why don't we jump right into this? We'll start off with the economic calendar. We just got one item here on the calendar, and that is ISM non-manufacturing PMI, which is also the services sector. So anything above 50 is considered expansion. So as you can see here, we're well above expansion. So in August, it was up 61.7. Forecast is showing a slight dip to 60, and actually went up to 61.9. So a good overall number there, especially for the services industry. We did not really quite expect that, so that is helping up the stock market today. Stock market today is like the news of the ISM, but also you're finding a lot of investors after yesterday's beat down on stocks. You get investors going in there and cherry picking different deals that they feel that are priced just right, so to speak. So as the saying goes, buy on the dip. So yesterday was a dip, and now they're kind of buying upwards, and you're seeing the stock market up as well. So there's not a whole lot of other headline news out there, so we'll just jump right to the mortgage-backed securities. And as you can see here, it's not looking too good today. We did close down about 9 basis points yesterday, and today we started even lower. We continued pretty much dropping further down. Right now we're down about 20 basis points. We've already had several lenders since when they priced out come in with worse pricing, so they've repriced for the worse from that. So we'll have to wait and see how this looks as we progress through the day. But right now, so far, it's not looking as rosy. As you can see here, we were down here about 148 yesterday, just out in that technical line we've been hoping to break below. However, it did shoot upwards and even kind of breaking up towards the next level up at 152. So that's where yields are hanging at right now. Now this week, we do got jobs data for the month of September. So tomorrow we'll get the first glimpse of the jobs data, which doesn't always get the respect because it is the ADP private roles. It doesn't always match up, only because it doesn't always match up with the Friday's data, the Bureau of Labor Statistics numbers. And then, of course, Thursday we get the initial jobless claims that we get every week. So those will be the 3 jobs data that we'll get for the month of September this week, and those will be pretty much our cows of the week as well. Now, I believe they are looking at approximately, let me take a look here, approximately about 500,000 or something like that for estimate for jobs, non-farm payrolls. Yeah, almost 500,000 at 473 here. So stay tuned, see how that works out. As for rates, the national rates for 15 years looking at 2.49, and then we got the 30-year fix at 3.09 right now. So again, this is where we're at looking for the national average. We can also take a look see at the volatility here. So the mortgage-backed securities. Sorry about that. So here's a little better look at the mortgage-backed securities. My apologies. I know some people like to get a better view of this, but as you can see, we dropped much lower, and here's what it looks like so far today. So quite a bit of volatility and quite that jump downwards. So just after looks like 7 o'clock or so, we started seeing that spike downwards today so far. All right. Hopefully we'll get some rebound here and get back to some. If you're in the market, hopefully get back to some up towards this levels and get some improvement there. Again, it will be kind of nice to have this move a little bit slower, and for those who missed out, hopefully get a chance to kind of redeem that, at least get some of that back. All right, folks. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Thanks so much for watching. If you do like the videos, please smash that like button. You certainly help us out. We greatly appreciate you guys. And again, ask for help if you guys need it. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Take care.